So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to install Phantom Wallet on your Google Chrome. So basically, you need to open your Google Chrome on your desktop or even laptop and just simply search for the Phantom Wallet. And then you will see this URL, which is the phantom.com. Just simply click the download right here and wait for it. And you just have to scroll it down. After scrolling down, there are few options, which is the Firefox, the Chrome, the Brave, as well as the Edge. So in this case, we're going to select the Chrome. After selecting it, you will redirect to this Chrome web store wherein you are going to add an extension of it, which is right here. Just click the Add to Chrome button and add extension. Wait for it to download for you to able to see the extension of the Phantom on your Chrome. And once it is downloaded, it will redirect you to this page. And if you have a current wallet, just click this. But if you don't, just click the Create New Wallet. Try to log in. Correct. After that, if you don't have a current account or wallet, you just need to create a password and account for you to able to access your account. And if you are wondering where you can see the Phantom Wallet extension, just simply navigate here at the top and you will see a puzzle icon right here. Just click it and you will see the extension where you added the Phantom. It's right here. See? So that's how you install Phantom Wallet on your Chrome browser. Ano yun? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.